Hey, it's LL Bayburst, and today we have Earth Eagle 145WD going up against Lightning L-Drago. Wow, my camera just went out of focus. With 105 whole flat. So I just got these two, and I've not really used them that much. So let's see how both of these battle. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Let it rip. What? It just knocked Earth Eagle out. Wow. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let it rip. And 3, 2, 1, let it rip. These are some great hits from Lightning L-Drago. Especially against Earth Eagle, which is a really solid defense type. Or wait, is an Earth Eagle a stamina type? Comment down below, guys, because I have literally no idea. Where's my Lightning L-Drago piece? Here it is. I could put this on it, but the gold just looks way better. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Let it rip. Oh, I messed up that launch so bad. It's now stall out battle. Great. Oh, this is gonna be a while. I don't like these battles. Come on, attack, L-Drago. Come on. Attack. Attack. Attack, please. Attack, please. My goodness. Oh, this is taking so long. Whoa! Okay, that took a lot of stamina from Earth Eagle. But I still think Lightning L-Drago is going to lose this one. Because Earth Eagle has a lot of stamina. Yeah. Alright. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. And 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Okay, attacking from the bottom, attacking from the bottom, and is throwing Earth Eagle around the stadium. How did Lightning L-Drago throw him out the first time? Because that must have been a really hard hit. Yeah, this is the final round, because these battles are really long. Alright, come on, L-Drago. And it goes to Earth Eagle. So guys, that is going to be the end of this video. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.